Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate from cacao using an easy method. First, we'll roast our raw cacao beans. Preheat your oven to about 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the beans in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast them for 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial step develops their deep, complex chocolate flavor and makes the outer shells much easier to remove. Remember to stir them a few times for even roasting. Once your beans are roasted and cooled, it's time to winnow them. Gently crack the beans and separate the papery shells from the inner cacao nibs. You can do this by hand or with a simple fan. Next, we'll grind these nibs. Place them into a food processor or a specialized melanger. Continue grinding for several hours, sometimes up to 24 hours, until the nibs transform into a smooth, flowing liquid known as chocolate liquor. Now that we have our chocolate liquor, it's time to add some sweetness. Gradually incorporate your chosen sweetener, such as granulated sugar, into the grinding chocolate. For a typical dark chocolate, you might add about 1 part sugar to 2 parts cacao nibs. Continue the grinding process for several more hours. This further refines the chocolate, breaking down the sugar crystals and ensuring a silky smooth texture without any grittiness. Our final step is tempering and molding. Tempering is essential for shiny, snappy chocolate that doesn't bloom. Heat your chocolate to about 45 degrees Celsius, then cool it to 27 degrees, and finally reheat to 31 degrees Celsius. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your desired molds. Let it cool and set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then, simply unmold your homemade chocolate bars.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.